Define data in the context of information processing.
Data refers to facts, figures, and other details collected for reference or analysis.
Give two examples of data in the real world.
Daily temperatures recorded in a city, and sales figures for a product.
What is data science?
Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data.
Name two career paths within the field of data science.
Data analyst and data scientist.
How can data science add value to businesses?
Data science helps businesses make informed decisions, predict trends, and improve customer experiences.
What is the purpose of data visualization?
To represent data in a graphical or pictorial format, making it easier to understand and interpret.
Define data visualization.
Data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps.
Provide two examples of data visualization tools or techniques.
Bar charts for comparing categories of data, and heat maps to show data density or intensity.
Why is data visualization important?
It enables users to see analytics presented visually, which can help to understand difficult concepts or identify new patterns.
Why is it crucial to ask the right questions in data visualization?
To ensure the visualization is relevant, insightful, and drives towards actionable conclusions.
How do data science and AI intersect?
Data science provides the techniques for gathering and processing data, while AI applies machine learning algorithms to data for making predictions or decisions.
Mention two applications of data science.
Fraud detection in banking and customer segmentation in marketing.
What is an example of analytics on text data?
Sentiment analysis to gauge public opinion on social media.
Give an example of image data analytics.
Facial recognition technology used for security systems.
What is AI and its primary goal?
Facial recognition technology used for security systems. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn. Its primary goal is to enable machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence.
Mention one common method for collecting data.
Surveys and questionnaires.
What role does big data play in data science?
Big data provides a vast amount of information that can be analyzed for insights, helping in predictive modeling and decision-making processes.
What is a significant impact of data science on society?
Improving healthcare through predictive analytics and personalized medicine.
What is a critical step in preparing data for analysis?
Cleaning data to remove inaccuracies and inconsistencies.
What is a trend in the future of data visualization?
Interactive and real-time data visualizations that allow users to explore data in depth.